which I confirm what has been submitted by Madam Secretary as our committee.
The case is postponed to the 27th of September. It's number 200 for judgment. You are out on bail and want to attend this one was to 8:30 in the morning. Otherwise, this bail can be cancelled. The money can be taken. Then it is properly placed on record that the state has been ended. Now we'll be awaiting your responses before time.
Nina wekashana kamenzi yaphuzumula zangameva ithikele nkantolo ehloniphekile lelicela seliyahlela lizawungena mhlazana zingamashumi 27 kumandulo uthi kumayesho umshushisi uthi ke umshini lo ofuna uthwebule emakhulunywa njengoba uhlezi uthwebula ngemihla namalanga namhlanje awusebenzi base bevumelana ukuthi ke lizawuhlehla lingene ngalelo langa lapho ke ozobe sekhishwa khona isinqumo ukuthi liyamthetha noma liyamlahla nina besilo ibheli yakho iyelulwa ngomfana wami uzokuhlela ngaphandle kuze kufike leyo mini
As completed your worship. That concludes our role. May we make excuse for my learner to speak over the rest of the world. Thank you, worship.
hamba naye kodwa hamba naye
Yes,